How to really use the MoneyView referral code and processing fee discount. Don't skip. Hey everyone, are you looking to get a MoneyView personal loan with a sweet discount on the processing fee? You've come to the right place. But hold on, there's a catch. Well, kind of. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to use the MoneyView referral code and processing fee promo code to maximize your savings. Because let's face it, nobody likes unnecessary fees. Point 1. First-time users get guaranteed savings. First things first, this processing fee discount is a golden ticket for new users. If you haven't signed up for MoneyView yet, you are in for a treat. Here's the key. Uninstall the app if you already downloaded it directly. Yep, you read that right. Downloading through a referral link is crucial. Use the referral link in the comments section below. This link will automatically unlock the discount when you install the MoneyView app. Point 2. It's all about following the rules. Don't underestimate the power of following instructions. MoneyView has specific guidelines for availing the processing fee discount. While we can't disclose them all here, make sure you follow MoneyView's instructions during the application process to ensure you get the discount. Point 3. Referral codes don't expire. Good news. Unlike some promo codes, MoneyView referral codes themselves don't expire. However, the special referral link with the embedded discount might have an expiration date. That's why it's important to use the most recent link from the comments below. Point 4. Don't skip. You might miss out. We know, skipping parts of videos is tempting. But here's the thing. Some crucial information about maximizing your discount might be revealed later in the video. Don't risk missing out. Watch the entire video to ensure you get the best deal. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to securing a MoneyView personal loan with a sweet processing fee discount. Remember, the referral link is in the comments below along with the referral code 9WAP8YF6TOHMQN. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money saving